Hello guys, hope you are all fine and doing good. We are all set to start with our motto, and from today we are going to start with developing a simple projects in Python. Our today's topic is developing a simple application for a dice simulation. To overview it, dice is a simple object which we use for playing a multiple games like Ludo, snakes and ladders, etc. So how we are going to develop is it like we are provided with a set of images which contain a set of images of the dice which has the different numbers from 1 to 6, list 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and we are going to use a Python random module to select a random images from this set of images and display that image on a window. That's simple how it is. The complete project will look something like this. We are having a button to roll the dice, and to change the dice position it simulates. That's simple. So let's get started with the coding part. To better understand the code, understand it in the different parts. Like first is to import the libraries, second is to design a window, third is to load the images, fourth is to implement a functionality of the button where the user clicks to simulate the dice, and fifth is to display the images. And that simple it is. So let's start by implementing importing a libraries. First is to use a Tincter, which we will use to design our window. It is used for developing a GUI applications. Second is a Pillow library, which we use to load and display the images. And third is the random module of the Python for random selecting the images. So let's start with the second part of the designing a window. This is the window object which is named as a root is equal to tincter.tk. tk is in class which develops our simple window. To configure we configure the geometry of the window as width and the height by 400 by 400. We provide it as a title as Crazy Tech Roll the Dice, which you can see over here written as like this, Crazy Tech Roll the Dice. Now to design our window to look little bit attractive, we add a heading part to it like this, hello from Crazy Tech. So we will create a label for it which is known as a label widget of the Tincter. This is a blank line object to leave one blank from the y-axis. Okay, this you can see a one blank line over above the heading. This is the blank line object. So blank line is equal to tincter.label root comma text. So root is our window object. So to add this label to our window, we have to name it as root, and text is the empty because this is the empty line we are providing. Now we have to add our label below the space. So then we would implement one label. Heading label is equal to tincter.label and root to add into our window. Text, what text we want to display it? Text is hello from Crazy Tech. To design this text, we use the foreground color as red, background color as black, and the font as Helvetica 16 bold and italic. You can also use Arial or the font size is 20. You can also use strong or anything you like. To the geometry which we use of the Tinker is specs. Basically the Tincter provides three kinds of geometry. One is spec, one is grid, and one is place. Grid uses use the row and columns to place the widget into the window. Place uses the positions like relative to the x and the y axis to place the widget, and peg is the simply which impounded them into form of the rectangle. Now the third part starts of selecting a random image. So what we have to do is here is as user opens application, we have to show a default image here. We have to show a default image here, or not only we have to show only the button with an empty images. So we implement the functionality to show a default image here as user opens this application. So this is a list of the dice which contains the name of the files of the images. This die1.png, die2.png, which you can see at the left hand side. Here we implement image tk.photo image. Image tk we implement we have loaded from the Pillow library. Photo image is its function which we use to load an image, and image.open random.choice. Here we use the random module to choose a random file name from all these 6 of this image list of the 6. Okay, And after that we create one label. Image label is equal to tinter.label, where you seeing this image, this is a label, this is a label where we will display our image. So image label is equal to label root, and image is equal to dice image. Whatever the image is chosen as randomly, we provide that image, and we keep this image as a reference because this is a default image. So default image we keep as a reference or the backup. Then image label dot pack expand is equal to true. Expand is equal to true is an attribute where if the space left behind, if this space left behind at the center after the padex, so it fills from the left as well as the right from all the directions. Now after that, the fourth part starts. We have to implement this button and provide this button a functionality. So the same code which we have used to place this default image, we will use the same code in a function as the functionality will provide to button. As the button clicks, we will run this function to simulate the dice and choose the different random images from the list of 6 images. So dice image is equal to image ticket.photo image.open random.choose. The same code we have repeated here. Image label.configure. Now we will update the image label. Image label is already contained a default image. Here we configure means here we update the image label as the new image, whatever the selected, we implement the image label and we keep it as a reference. Now this is our button widget. Button is equal to tinter.button. This B should be the capital, and add it to the window. Text whatever you want, foreground color, background color, and command. This command is a main attribute which when clicking the button will call this rolling dice function. Our function name is rolling dice, it will call the function. And pack is again a command, and expand is equal to true. And that's the end of our application. And call the main loop to hold the window as the program runs. Now to run the application, you can use the default VS Code terminal or the command line tool as Anaconda, or your default command line tool as and run is using the Python and filename.py. Python filename.py. Your application will run fine. Okay. So thank you, and you can see it as a running. This is our default image which it gives. This is our heading label. This is our title, and as you click the function, it will simulate the dice. That's fine. So thank you guys. And I want to say one thing, that from the today itself we are going to have our platform for you all. If you have different ideas with the same topic, with a different topic, so please I will provide a simple form in the description link. If you have little bit idea like implementing the OTP generator using Python with random module or simple basic project you have, then you please fill the form. I will call you and we will have a discussion, and you can come use this platform to increase your network, to increase your communication skills. Thank you and God bless you.